Good morning, it's Mr. Paul, and I'm going to show you the craft for this week's creation station. We are going to make a catapult. It'll be pretty awesome. So the materials that you need are popsicle sticks, and they all come in a little package that you'll be getting when you come to the library to pick it up. More popsicle sticks, some rubber bands, little puff balls, half a plastic egg, and a adhesive little square that to stick the egg right on there. So the first thing you do is you're going to take all the green sticks, there should be 6 of them, and you're going to wrap the rubber band around a few times, kind of twist it as you go around. You're going to do that on both sides. Okay, so that's what you get. Then you're going to take the 2 blue popsicle sticks, and on one of the ends, you're going to wrap the rubber band around the same way. Do it a few times. Might need to do a couple more since there's only 2 of them. Get it nice and tight. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the green popsicle sticks and the blue popsicle sticks. You're going to open it just a little bit and slide it in. So you're going to kind of have like a T or a cross. And then you take your last rubber band and you're going to slide it over the 2 and then twist. Whoops. Slide it over 2 of them, twist it. Okay. Now here comes the tricky part. You're going to take the rubber band, pull it, twist one more time, and go over the top. So then you should have a crisscross. All right. You can slide it down. The closer you have it to the end, the more you'll be able to fling the little puff ball. All right. Next, you're going to take the little square adhesive and peel it off. Peel off both sides so that both sides are sticky. All right. Then you're going to stick it on the end of blue popsicle stick. Okay. And then you're going to take the plastic egg, stick it on there, and there you have your catapult. Now you're ready to fling, and you'll get a few of these little puff balls. All right. And then you put one in here, and to fling it, you just push it down. Oops, I'm going to make this stick a little bit more. Push it down, and there it goes. Yay. So you can have fun with this. You can make little targets, or you can draw like a little castle and, fix it so it's up and try to knock down the castle, or maybe a picture of a dragon. You can find something online. So it'll be really fun, and I hope you enjoy it. Hope to see you at the library soon. Bye.